Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Binance.com and then simply log into your account. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your assets. So you're gonna have to go here to overview and then simply click on withdraw. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply make sure to select the Bitcoin, and then here you're gonna have to enter the new wallet address, then choose the network, and then simply you're gonna have to confirm and then choose the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.